Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. So in this video we will discuss the extend command. So for the extend command we need the geometry. Okay, so here I have created the quilt here. Oh, okay, so this one is the extruded surface, so we can call it as a quilt also. So this one is a quilt and I want to extend the surface. Okay, so for that, so now you can see the extend command is not highlighted. Okay, so if I click the edges, okay, edges of the surface, okay, so you can see that the extend command is now applicable. Okay, so you can extend the surfaces, okay, or the quilt. Okay, here you can read the extend the contiguous one side edge of the quilt to specified distance or up to the plane. Okay, so we can extend the edges of the surface or the quilt. Okay, so you can extend, suppose I want to extend this portion only, so directly you can click on the edge and directly you can extend. Okay, so it will extend the surface, but I want to extend this complete edge. Okay, so just go here, edit definition, and press the shift button and select the edges. So I am continuously pressing the shift button and selecting the edges. Okay, now after selecting all these edges, I am releasing the shift button, and now you can see the complete selected edge is extended. Okay, so now we can extend the surface. Suppose I want to extend the all the edges, so for that you need to select the press the shift button and press on the middle. Okay, so here I'm deleting this one. Okay, and first select the edge and press the in means this middle portion you need to select by pressing by holding the shift button. Okay, select the first edge and after that press the shift button, and in the middle you can select, so that the complete edge will be selected. So this one is a shortcut. Okay, generally we call it as a sedan boundary. Okay, so this for sedan boundary means for complete selection of the edges you need to select the first edge, and after that hold the shift button and press the quilt, okay, or the surface. So in that way we can extend the surface. Okay, so you can change here length. Suppose I want here 10 mm only. Okay, so here up to 10 mm it will extend. Okay, so now second one is we can extend up to the plane also. Okay, suppose I have this plane. Okay, so suppose I have the offset plane here and I want to extend up to here. So in that case also we can extend. Select this edge, select the extend, and I want to select the all the edges. So holding the shift button and no, so holding the shift button and select the edges. Don't select at the middle, so it will select the complete edge. Okay, so holding shift button and selecting this one. Okay, now so now here we have the option. Okay, second option, so up to selected edge or the reference plane. So here we can see that up to that plane we have extended the complete surface. Okay, suppose I have a plane here, offset plane here in the means opposite direction. Okay, so here in that case also we can extend. Suppose select this edge, extend, and select the holding the shift button you can select the other edges. Okay, now I want to extend up to this surface normal. Okay, so select the plane here, so normally it will extend. Like that also you can extend, use this command. Okay, so this extend command we will use to extend the surfaces only. Okay, surface or the quilt you can say. Okay, so for that purpose we will use the extend command. So this command is very useful in the means surface modeling. So for the surface modeling we use the extend command. Okay, So for the solid this command will not be applicable. Okay, so hope you understood this command. So we will see you in the next video. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updated notification from Mechanical Design Adda. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.